Hi there, I am here to show you how to download the iStation program on your computer. So you are going to go to istation.com. It is going to land you here at the iStation homepage. You can accept the cookies, that's fine, and then come up here to download and technical info. All right, you're going to scroll down and you are going to find the device you are working on. So I am on a Windows computer, so I am going to click here. If I was on a Chromebook, I could click here. If I was on an Android device, I would click here. If I was on an iPad, I would click here. I will show you what it looks like on an iPad in a little bit, but for the sake of the example, I am going to show you on a Windows device. A MacBook, you can click there. Okay, going to click to get the download started. This is something else. Okay, it is going to open. Yes. I am going to install it. Yes. Next. This is a safe program. We use it at school. And it is going to open iStation. Okay. So this is what it would look like on an iOS device. This is an iPad. So I would click on iStation. So here I am. I'm going to click where it says domain. I'm going to click on domain. In the domain box, I am going to type passport. Passport. You see it comes up. Our domain is passport.orange.fl. Now it needs to be typed exactly like that. Passport.orange.fl.
Please enter your username and password.
Once you click done, it will bring you to the username and password. So when I get to the username and password, I am going to enter in the username and password that my teacher has given me. You need to get the username and password from your teacher to continue on the next steps. Type in my username and password from my teacher. It will take me to the landing page. It will take a second to log in.
Please select an activity or log out of iStation.
Okay, here we go. So the main two icons that you will click on here are Reading with ISIP, the open book that's all the way on the left, and the orange icon that says Math with ISIP that's in the middle. So you click on Reading to practice reading, Math to practice math.
Amelia Chameleon here. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it!
Click on the letter L to make magic. Log.
And that's how you access and download iStation. If you have any questions, please send Miss Spiegler an email. My email is down below. Thanks for watching and happy digital learning!